So hello friends, welcome to Intron YouTube channel and learning session of learning Python with the Intron. In this video, we will see what is an hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance is nothing but in this we will be having one parent class, and from that parent class we inherit more than one child class. So now let's see what we mean by this definition through an example. So I will create here one class as an parent. So my class is having name as parent. In this parent I will give one method called as def fun1. So I am defining here def fun1 method, and in this we will pass now our self, and under this method we will give one print command, that is I am parent of childs. So this is the print command. In print command we have passed our string. As stated in the definition, in this hierarchical inheritance we will be having one parent class, and from that parent class we will inherit more than one child class. So first inherit our first child class, a child 1. So this is my child class. So now compiler should understand that this is a child class of this parent class, so we should pass here parent in this round bracket. So now compiler will understand this is a child class of parent class. So under this I will create one method called as fun2, and now I will pass my self here. Under this we will give our print command, that we can give like I am child 1. Now we will create our second child. As per the definition, that hierarchical inheritance is nothing but we will be having one parent class and we will be having more than two child class. So here we have one parent class and already we have one child class. So now let's create our another child class named as child 2, and it is an child class of parent class. So this is my parent class named as parent. You can use here any name instead of parent, or you can say child. Just you should pass it correctly here without any spelling mistake. So here I have passed parent. Now I will create one method here, fun3. I will pass my self, and under this I will give print command, print I am child 2. It will print I am child 2. So now let's create an object of child 1 class and child 2 class. So obj1 is my object of child 1 class, and obj2 I will create object of an child 2 class. So as per the definition we have seen for the inheritance, inheritance is nothing but all the properties from the parent will go to the children's. So here we have created objects of only children's. Now using these objects of children's, we will give call to these methods present in that particular child as well as method present in the parents. So now let's give and call. So first of all we will use an obj1, that is object 1, that is of child class 1, and we will go give call to this fun1, that is an method present in the parent class. So I'm giving call to this. So after that it will give call to itself, this object 1, that is an object of this child 1, will give call to this fun2 method. So now let's give call by using obj1 dot method name is fun2. So similar in the way of the child 2, so here we have created object of child 2 as an obj2. By using this obj2 we will give call to this fun1 method that is present in its parent class as well as the method present in itself. So we will give call as an obj2 dot, we can make as fun1 and obj2 dot we can make as an fun3 here. And now let's execute our program and check the output. So here is my output. First of all you will print I am parent class, so sorry I am parent of childs, then it will print I am child. Next it will print I am parents of childs again, because here by using obj1 we have given call to the parent class, as well as by using an obj2 we have again given call to this fun1 method that is present in the parent class. So two times this will be printed. So thank you friends, and keep learning.